Not too long ago, at the beginning of the growing season, I planted potatoes in laundry baskets as an experiment to see how it would go. This video, we're going to take a look at that. It's the Urban Sentinel, and let's get into it. So I've got one basket of potatoes here, and another basket here. I'm going to dump them out and see how the potatoes look. It's been probably 3 months since I put them in. Most of the foliage has fallen off, and a lot of it has been gotten at by the potato bugs, the potato beetles. So we're going to see what's left. Now, some of this is from another pile that I just dumped out, and probably got 3 or 4 potatoes out of that. Got a couple here. Some of these, based upon the vines, are still growing, but I've got to clean up the garden and do some other work, so I got to start clearing stuff out. Alright, technical problems, not sure how much of that came through, but pretty much I'm just finding small little guys. I got this last basket to dump out. This one is a little bit better. Yeah, a ton of these guys. Some earthworms been doing their work. And mostly earthworms, ants. Oh, some more potato. Still tiny though. Yeah, a lot of these guys, I probably could have let this one grow a little bit longer, but like I said before, trying to clean up the garden and got to get rid of a lot of stuff for the fall. Alright, so this is what I've got. Try to get some better light. Some red, some white, and some blue potatoes. More purple, but you get the point. Some earthworms. Got some ants. More earthworms. Oh, that's a big boy. What the hell? Oh, he's running. He's running. Oh, oh. There he goes. Ooh, pretty. So that was my experiment with trying to grow potatoes in a laundry basket. I do feel that it works. I've seen it work for other people, just did not work for me. So I will say that results may not be typical, but there's no reason not to give it a try just to see how it goes. So now at this point, I'm just going to basically break up the soil that I've got here, spread it around the yard a little bit, pick out a few more of those small potatoes, wash them off, and that's going to be the end of that. So if you like this, subscribe, share this video, check out my other content, and I'll catch you in the next one.